Hey guys, I want to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV using optical cable. This is HISENSE Soundbar AX5125H. You can connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. So you take the optical cable, go at the back of the soundbar, connect it to the optical port, second on the right. From their left side, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be the fourth from the left. So you take the cable, hook it up to the optical cable is included in the packaging. So you take the other end of the cable, hook it up to your TV. So hook it up to the optical, to the back of your TV where it's written optical digital audio. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to connect TV to the power socket. Once you connect the TV to the power socket, then from the soundbar, you need to use the input to select optical. This is USB, no BT, EAC, HDMI, so optical. So make sure it's in optical. Switch the TV on. Go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and the sound is showing us TV speaker. You need to select the sound, then scroll down to the side to the optical out device. Then you need to select on it. It's actually connected. Now when it's in optical, then you need to use the soundbar remote control to increase the volume. This is the audio.
You can see the change of pace, and suddenly it's a copper race. And Jimmy Gressier just having a little chat, a little word with Ugo there.
And the volume 38.
They're just having to put out that steadying hand in front of him.
Then this is game.
Still crowded enough that it might get dangerous, and it is when the pace changes that there's movement, and it becomes more risky.
News.
305 is really
Sports. Go to YouTube, select YouTube, go to Epidemic Sound. Music. Beautiful. I'm happy with this soundbar. When it's in optical, you need to make sure you control the volume using the soundbar remote control. If you connect it with HDMI, then you can use it. You can use TV remote and soundbar remote. But if you use the TV remote, it will show you that the audio is cancelled. So this is how to hook this up to your TV using optical cable. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.